The City of Milaca now has an online reservation system to be used for our park shelters and campsites. You just go to cityofmilaca.org/reserve, or if you're already on our website, you go to Community, Parks, and then Online Reservations. The paragraphs at the top of the page give you general information on how to use the system, and there are two ways to look at available rentals. What comes up first is the availability search, in which you put your desired dates and click search, and it will show you the venues that are available for you to use. Right now it looks like, well, let's say the Rum River Shelter. So we would just input the number of people that are planning on showing up, click reserve, and our reservation summary shows up over here, along with your contact information plus your payment information. General info, these are pop-ups, and the rental agreement and cancellation policy is also listed below. You do have to input everything highlighted in red for your reservation to go through. The other way to do it is the calendar search mode. This one will give you it, like say you wanted to use the Gorecki Center, but your desired dates haven't shown up, you would switch to calendar search mode. Once there, it'll show you the available dates for your rental. You can also click on the little button to the side and you can see more information about the center. The one thing you do need to know about the campsites and the council room is that it will only show the multiple daily rates in the availability search mode. For example, I will go to May because the campsites are not yet open, and you search. And here we have RV camping or tent camping. It's showing $20 for RV camping and $10 for tent camping. Same thing, you just click reserve on whichever one you want. On the website, you'll have to scroll back up to get to your information. The mobile app will shows it below the calendar, and you just go ahead and do the same thing. We hope you enjoy, and we are excited to have you use this. Thank you.